We're leash training and exercising our dog and us. I'm out of breath. She found where the baby chickens always sleep. We put them into the big coop at night though for safety. But we're trying to leash train her. And she's a handful. She is strong, very strong. She's a rescue. And oh, for some of you who don't know, I'm just used to the comments. People are talking about her on the comments. For those of you who don't know, yes, we have a dog, a German Shepherd, as you can see. And we're training her to watch our home and our property and our family. And it's a lot because she's a rescue. She needs a lot of training. No jumping. We have to train her not to jump. No. And we definitely want to leash train her so we can walk her around. And then she's got the whole roughly 2 acres to play all night and roam free. And she's getting tired a little bit. That's good. Well, that's our guard dog. German Shepherd is the best. She's strong though. I just finished running her and then I gave her to Melanie so I can do a little clip. I won't tell you her name though, because of certain circumstances. We don't want anybody becoming familiar with her. Good morning, everybody. We have ice. Can you see it? I can't quite see. It's a little bit early this morning. It froze. Our first freeze. Not just our first frost, but it actually froze. I mean, it froze. That's a hard frost. Well, we were blessed with a very, very, very extended growing season this year. So, October 18th today. And the death of our gardens. You can see a white coating across the yard. That's the end. What got going on here, girls? Michelle? What do we got? Oh, look at that. Sweet potatoes from our own garden. Let me see how the sun's blocking. Tomatoes, green tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. Melanie did not think of that back. Melanie didn't expect to find any in here. But they actually did grow. We did have a freeze last night, so we lost all our plants. But this is October 18th. Yeah, oh, it is October 18th. Look at our tomato was starting to grow beautiful finally. So we had a late, a longer season. We had a late start, but we had a longer end. I'm gonna pause a minute while she digs and looks for potatoes. There's one. Little sweet potatoes from our own garden. Well, I'm going to leave the girls to that. They're harvesting what is left of our gardens. Actually, I might have some corn over here, Melanie. It's still growing. Yeah. Let me go look here. Oh, I think that's end of life for the corn. Well, let me see if I can do this one-handed. I hope we have something in here. Let me set the camera down. Hold on. Can we do this on camera? I can't tell if you can see anything. Oh, we got a little bit of corn. Somebody's going to have some corn tonight for dinner. A little bit of corn. I'll have the girls double check. We might have some other kernels in here. There might be a couple. We might have a snack tonight. First burn of the year. Cleaned the pipes. Checked everything. Got some kindling. It's raining out and miserably cold and wet. I found some dry stuff. There's the first start of the first burn of the year. Isn't that a cozy, beautiful sight? It's cold. I don't know if you see it. I won't know until I look at this video later. It's snowing out. Just light, gentle, fluffy flakes. It's snowing. That's not going to be much because the sky is clearing up and the sun is coming out. Oh, I hope that shows up. There were some big, fat, fluffy flakes, and by the time I got my camera, it started lightening up. It's cold. October 22nd. We were out on the beach just a couple days ago. Well guys, we got another load. It's been a few days since we got a load, and we've started burning firewood, and we realized probably about 90% or 70% of what we have is not dry. So we're choosing dry. Listen to that. That's dry. Anyway, we're picking dry wood only now so that we have something to burn and for this season. Some of this is dry, most of it is not. I mean dry. Unfortunately, right up here is the best of the best. Well, fortunately, unfortunately, this is the driest of all, right closer. We did set it up to take one row out and leave one. That's wet, yes it is. But we also did mix a little bit because we were in a hurry to get this off the ground. So I just want to get more. Look at that, that's beautiful. Well, this is Friday. That's it for the week. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. Never know what tomorrow might bring. This is Troy, Michelle, and Melanie from the Do-It-Yourself World and your Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.